Good morning, sports fans. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, coming to you from Macco Park on Merco Island. Sun's just coming up over the palm trees. It's Friday, September 3rd. We're getting the August jobs report out today at 8:30 a.m. They're looking for about 700,000 jobs added to payrolls this last month, which is down a little from the 900 or so thousand that were added last month. They're looking for an unemployment rate of 5.2%. That would be down from the 5.4 of last month, and looking for wages to go up 0.3%. That's also down from last month's 0.4%. These are important numbers. If they're off in any way in either direction, it's going to cause the Fed to probably act in some manner, tightening or loosening, but it's something to watch this morning. Comes out at 8:30 a.m. Turn on your CNBC and check it out. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. If you want to buy, sell, rent, invest, or build, commercial or residential, give me a call. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, 219-406-6482, 219-406-6482. And make it a great day and have a great holiday weekend.